Today we're making a cauliflower side dish that you won't want to miss. This is sauteed cauliflower with garlic and breadcrumbs. Cauliflower is not always a favorite vegetable in my house, but when I add this with butter, garlic, and breadcrumbs, everybody will eat it. So we're taking off the leaves of our cauliflower here. So I'm gonna cut this in half, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut off our core. We're gonna on a triangle there so we can get that out. And I'm very curious. I want you guys to leave me a comment below and tell me, will your kids eat cauliflower? And if they do, tell me how will they eat cauliflower? Because you know, we're always trying new recipes and I'm always trying different ways for my kids to eat different vegetables. You know, I remember when I was younger with broccoli, I would love cheddar on top of broccoli, but then it kind of defeats our purpose of being healthy, right? Well, I guess in this case too, I'm adding butter and garlic, but it's still really good. So we want little pieces of cauliflower. It's easier for us to saute. Even this little piece, I'm gonna cut in half. So I want little pieces of cauliflower like that. I'm gonna add them to our bowl. So I'm gonna keep cutting until we've cut up our entire head of cauliflower. So we have our cauliflower all ready for it to be blanched in our water. And now I have 5 cloves of garlic. So I'm gonna chop this up. So we've chopped up our garlic. Put that right in our bowl. Perfect. We have our salt, pepper, parsley. We have olive oil, butter, and breadcrumbs. And we're gonna go over to the stove. Water boiling here so that we can blanch our cauliflower. I'm gonna add some salt to the water. And I'm gonna add our cauliflower to the water until it's fork tender. So while our cauliflower is cooking, now we're gonna toast our breadcrumbs. So I have a medium-sized saucepan here. I'm gonna add our breadcrumbs to that. We're gonna let those cook. Next, I have another little tiny saucepan. We're gonna use 1 stick of butter. I'm gonna add that there. And once our butter cooks, we're gonna add in our garlic. So you can see that we're toasting up our breadcrumbs. Nice golden brown color. So now that our butter has melted, I'm gonna add in our garlic. I'm gonna let our butter and our garlic cook. Now I'm gonna lower the heat and I'm gonna add our breadcrumbs to our butter. Now that we've mixed that together, we're gonna add in our spices. So we have salt, pepper, and parsley. We're gonna do 1 teaspoon of parsley, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. I'm gonna mix that together. And our breadcrumbs are ready so that we can add them to our cauliflower. So now we're gonna take our saucepan here and we're gonna heat up about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add in our cauliflower. I'm gonna saute our cauliflower for about a minute in our olive oil. And next we're gonna add our butter, breadcrumb, garlic mixture to the top. We're gonna saute our cauliflower with our breadcrumbs and we're gonna add 2 more tablespoons of olive oil. Let that cook for a couple minutes and then we're ready to serve. Our cauliflower and breadcrumbs smell delicious. I'm gonna top this off with some freshly chopped parsley. And this is ready. For the full recipe, visit NikkiGlackus.com and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.